Hi everyone and welcome back. My name is Rohan Bijou and today we hit a huge milestone. We've reached 1,000 subscribers on this channel and I want to really thank you all, and I have a really special thing planned out for this video. So today we're going to do a setup tour so you're going to know how I make my videos. So all the setups, what I use with the equipment, the cameras, what I use for the audio, and I'm going to show you what I do for the backdrop, like the TV and all the props I use. Before that, I really want to thank you. So if you don't know me already, I actually started this channel 3 years ago on April 19, 2018. It seems a really long time ago, and since then I've been making videos on different tech products, reviews, thoughts, and much more. And the reason I really wanted to make videos and really started to do that was because I was really interested in consumer tech. I was really keeping track of new inventions, new phones, new tablets, new monitors, PCs, everything like that. So I've been keeping track of like the Apple events, the Samsung Impact events, and many more. And the reason I really wanted to make YouTube videos on them was because of Brownlee and Mr. Who's the Boss. So those two YouTubers are my inspiration, and I've been watching their videos for as long as I remember, and I really enjoy them, and I really like the entertaining and informative ways they do it. So that kind of inspired me to start my own passion of making YouTube videos. So from then on, I've been making videos, and here we are. And I want to really thank you for the 1,000 subscribers. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, because you've probably been watching a lot of YouTubers that's been very highly regarded, but 1,000 subscribers means a lot to me. So I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting me through this journey, for helping me reach this 1,000 subscriber goal. And I'm looking forward to making more future videos that are entertaining, informative, and engaging. So if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to this channel if you want to watch more future content. All right, I think it's time for these special segments today. So without further ado, let's do the setup tour. All right, so I think the first thing to begin with is the table. So you've probably seen this in many of my new videos. I actually switched locations because I moved houses, and this whole setup here was pretty new. So I had to add stuff along the way with new videos, and I'll explain all this stuff, and all this stuff have changed. So actually, let's start with this table. So this is the white table I use for my videos. You can see it's pretty large, and I do have a wooden seat right here. It's pretty creaky, but it still works. Really nice, really comfortable. And on my table, you can see that I have my laptop right here. I usually have like a rough script on here. I don't usually have like complete written down script. Most of them are impromptu, so I kind of give the gist of what I'm gonna say, and I just wing it while I'm going on with the video. And then I do have the remote for the TV you see behind me, usually in my videos. This is the remote for the strip lights I use behind the TV. This is just an adapter for connecting like my phone to an audio system. So right now I'm actually recording audio through my phone, connected to an adapter, connected to a wire, and it's a lavalier mic. So that's how you're getting this great audio right now. All right, so now let's talk more about the lights. So as you can see in the back, there are overhead lights. I have them above me as well, so that also gives that nice light from the top. I also have lights from the side, as you can see from these light boxes. So these two are both from Amazon. This is a Gikoto. This is a Gikoto light box, and this is an HPSN light box. And I can leave a link in the description for both of them if you want to check them out. They're really nice, but inside I use a different bulb than what they usually give me. I'm actually using a color changing bulb, which is actually pretty nice. You can change the color, the warmth and the coolness of the lights, and I find that really helpful. So I have this sort of duo where I have one warm light here and one cool light here, so it's pretty nice. And right now, let's move on to the back. So right here, I've got some plans for the background. I think it's really nice to add in. So here, this is from IKEA. This is also from IKEA. And the reason you see like this glow in the back is because I'm using a Samsung Galaxy Note 10's flashlight for that. So that adds a nice effect when in the backdrop. So it's pretty cool. Here I got the Lego Nintendo console. It's pretty old, but this is not the actual console. This is the Lego version. I still have to build more of this. I have a controller to build, and I also have like the TV set, which is really cool. Here I've got a, this is just a seahorse ceramic piece. It's just nice to add in the background. It's also more plants. This is also from IKEA. Right here, I usually switch the position of this the different points in the video. So there's an Xbox. It lights up actually, it's pretty nice. So if I take that and light up, it's not that bright. I probably have to change the batteries, but it's pretty nice. I switch positions every single time. This is a nice little lemon plant. This is a Pac-Man light, so I usually have to plug this in, and this is not battery operated, which is pretty sad, but it looks really nice when turned on. So I place it back, and as you can see throughout the whole thing, there is a light strip, which is really nice. I got this from Costco, and it looks amazing. And if you buy more of these, you can connect it. Like here, you can connect them together, and you can use the remote provided to change the color. So I can do like, I can just change the color immediately, or I can do like fade colors or flash colors, which is pretty nice. But I usually stick with the white. And right here is the TV for my videos. So this is a 55-inch Roku TV. It's by On. I just really like Roku's UI and easy connectivity to Apple Play. So right now, what you're seeing on the TV is actually being screen mirrored from my phone. So whatever video I'm making, based on like the theme of that video, I choose a picture, screen mirror that, and keep it as a backdrop. So it looks pretty nice. So as you can see here, it's 1,000. Obviously for the 1,000 subscriber special, I really want to thank you guys again for that. Yeah, and I think that's pretty much it for the backdrop right here. And now I think let's move on to more of the equipment I use and what camera, what I mainly use for my audio and all the goodies like that. So let's get into that. So my main primary camera is the Sony ZV-1. So this camera is pretty small. It doesn't look like it does much, but it has some insane video quality. It records 4K, 60 FPS, and it looks really nice. And one problem I do have with it currently is that it overheats pretty quickly. And that's the only problem I have. Actually, that's literally the only problem. And everything else works perfectly fine. Videos are beautiful. The focus is really good. And yeah, this is my primary camera and I really enjoy it. So if you are beginning YouTube or want to just have a regular camera, this is a pretty affordable option. I'll leave the link in the description. And this is really nice if you're starting out your YouTube career. So this is the Rode mic, and I'm going to talk about the audio right now. So I actually use this for more of my talking head videos. So basically, if you've watched my Pixel 6 video or just my thoughts on the Tesla bot, I actually use this mic and it's really nice. I really love the shotgun mic. It has a really good sound quality and it's been recommended by different YouTubers over time, but I only use this mainly as talking head videos. But if you've seen my video today, I actually used a lavalier mic. I usually use a lavalier mic because this is usually pretty far away when I record. And my choice of lavalier mic is this lavalier mic by Rode. So this is the lavalier Go. This has really good sound quality and that's what I've been using for my previous video. This is the second time I'm using it and it sounds really nice. The primary tripod I use is the Koto orange tripod, and I've made a video on it already and my thoughts on it, and it's really nice. I've really enjoyed using this, and this has been my primary tripod for a while now. I'm not planning on switching to anything soon, but if you do want something to begin with, this is really nice. So you can tilt up and down, sideways, and I talk more about the features in my review, so you can go check that out if you want. So I hope you really enjoyed the studio tour. So this is all my basic setup for almost all my videos. And I hope you really found something useful out of it. And if you do want to implement most of these items in your videos, I would be happy to help. So if you leave a comment below and ask any question about the products I currently have or anything you want to set up for your video, just let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them. And I'm really, really grateful that you all are watching my videos and supporting me throughout this journey. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already to watch my future content. Like this video if you found this helpful, and comment any questions or concerns and I'll try my best to answer them. So thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.